In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Higgsfield Speak. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to higgsfield.ai and then you want to sign into your account, or of course create one in case you don't have one yet. Once you're in here, you want to then hover over create and then click on speak over here to use their speak feature. Now what this can do is it can make avatars speak as it says over here. So you can make videos like this over here, as you can see, which is quite nice. Now to actually do this, first you will have to kind of change this template, or of course choose one however you want. So as you can see, it can either be like static, selfie, general, selling, etc. So just select kind of a template you are going for. For this one, I'm gonna go with static. And then over here, once you do this, you'll have to upload an image. I'm gonna click over here and then I'm going to upload an image of a guy over here. And then after you do this, of course, you can also select the avatar. So in case you have any avatars, you can select yours, or you can just upload an image like I did right now. Here, you'll then have to generate speech or upload some speech. So you can click over here. If you want to essentially upload it, click over here and just upload it. But you can also generate it over here. You can use one of these preset voices over here, and you can just start typing your script or upload it. Okay, so you can over here, for example, you can just play this so you can hear.
So basically,
There we go. You just heard what this guy sounds like, and you can type in whatever you want, up to 150 characters. I think that is. Yes, there we go. So I'm going to just do, hey, what's up? Like this, doesn't really matter. And then over here, you'll see you can basically set different voice settings. You can set the speed, you can set stability, similarity, and then style as well. Now, here it will also say sound, so you can also select basically what sound you would like. So if it's going to be in traffic, in the street, in a hallway, in a room, etc., you can also select that if you want to. And then after this, you want to click on generate over here. And of course, for this, you will need one of these premium plans. This is not available on the free plan, unfortunately. And after you essentially just generate this, you will have to go out here and then you will have to put in a prompt. So you have your character, you have your audio, and then the prompt is going to be, you can describe the scene you imagined with details. So I'm just going to type in an explainer video in front of a wall. Okay, so it's going to be very simple. And then you have to select the model. So the Higgsfield Speak is going to be the free one, and then you also have these premium ones with your premium version. Then here you have the quality option. You can do basic, medium, or high, and then you can just press generate. Now, of course, I haven't provided the audio, hence it's not working right now, but when you do this, it will essentially just start generating your creation over here on the right. It's going to look like this over here. It's going to start being in progress, and then once it's done, you're going to be able to see it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.